Exploring the phrase, old as your mother, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, old as your mother. This expression, while not extremely common, is a fascinating part of the English language. It's used to emphasize age in a humorous or sarcastic way. Understanding such phrases can add color to your English conversations. Let's break it down together. Old as your mother is an idiom that playfully suggests that something or someone is very old. However, it's crucial to understand the context. This phrase is often used among friends in a light-hearted manner and can be seen as a form of teasing. It's not meant to be taken literally but rather to exaggerate the age of an object, idea, or person for comedic effect. When using old as your mother, timing and audience are key. It's best used in casual settings among people who appreciate humor and understand that it's not meant to offend. Here are a few examples. That song is old as your mother, referring to a song that's been around for a long time. You still have that phone? It's as old as your mother, teasing someone about using an outdated device. Remember, the aim is to be playful, not hurtful. Always consider the other person's feelings. English is rich with idiomatic expressions that play on the theme of age. Similar phrases include, old as the hills, signifies something very old, often older than the person or thing being compared. Antique, while often referring to valuable old items, it can be humorously applied to outdated objects or ideas in conversation. Understanding these expressions helps in grasping the nuances of English humor and sarcasm. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, old as your mother. Idioms like this one add flavor and color to the English language, allowing for creative and humorous expressions. Remember, the key to using such phrases effectively lies in understanding the context and ensuring it's appropriate for your audience. We hope this video has been enlightening and fun. Keep practicing your English, and don't be afraid to experiment with idioms and expressions in your conversations. See you in the next video.